Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I am Madhuri and I am from Bhusawad. So I am practicing English language. That's why I am making video. And this is my English journey I uploaded my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn English or speak English, so what to do first before learning English? This question has arrived in my mind, and if you want to answer this question, so watch this video till the end. And you have not subscribed my channel yet, so subscribe soon. And friends, this video is for beginner who want to learn English or speak English, not for a fluent speaker. So without further delay, let's jump on the topic, what to do first before learning English. So I think my opinion, if you want to learn English, so first we complete tenses. Yes friends, you heard right. You have to complete tenses first, because tenses help us to understand this language. When something happens, past, present, future, let me explain simple way. Without tenses the sentence is confusing, and with tenses the sentence is clear. Let me explain. One take example. Okay, I eat food. This is a present tense. What is the meaning? I eat food. मी जेवण करते. Then I ate food. मी जेवण केलं. This is a past tense. And I will eat food. This is a future tense. मी जेवण करणार. Friends, English tenses help us to speak clearly. They make sentences clear, and also they improve our speaking, writing, and understanding also. And the second step is, if you learn English, so you have to speak also. Speaking is a vital role in learning English. So speak with learn English. So friends, first of all you learn all the tenses, and second is you speak also. And speak only small sentences, don't take hard word. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you next video. Bye.